Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ShareASale affiliate dashboard access on mobile, full guide step by step clearly. Open your mobile device and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Launch your preferred web browser, such as Chrome or Safari. In the browser's address bar, type in the ShareASale website URL. Press enter to navigate to the ShareASale homepage. Locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Tap the login button to proceed. Enter your registered email address associated with your ShareASale account. Next, input your password in the designated field. After filling in your credentials, tap the login button to access your account. Once logged in, look for the dashboard icon on the homepage. Tap on the dashboard icon to enter the affiliate dashboard. Explore the different sections such as reports, links, and tools available on the dashboard. If you want to create a shortcut, tap the browser menu. Select the option to add to home screen, enabling easy future access. Confirm the action by tapping Add, and the icon will appear on your mobile home screen. You can now easily access the ShareASale affiliate dashboard directly from your home screen. Feel free to explore various features within the dashboard to maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.